This is the video that has been posted by me last Friday. The video was up for exactly 40 minutes and people informed me of what the lyrics were. As you can see by my comments, you can see here, I do not understand because I didn't know what the lyrics were. I would never intentionally lip sync, say, or use a racial slur in my videos or in real life. I want to make that abundantly clear. If you use that kind of language as a white person, it doesn't matter if it's lyrics, it doesn't matter if it's lip syncing, it doesn't matter. It's wrong. It's not okay, and it's disrespectful. Even though I'm not American and I don't even speak English to people around me every day, I know this is not okay. I know the meaning behind the slur, and I do not think that it would be okay for me to lip sync to it. I just wanted to make that clear in the beginning. I am happy that people called me out and told me to address this because this kind of behavior is not okay. So I wanted to be clear. I am not angry, mad, or blaming anyone for calling me out on something like this. It should absolutely be called out. I'm filming for TikTok since 2019. I have used a lot of sounds that include the N-word, and I have kept my mouth closed because that's how it should be. You should keep your mouth closed as a white person to the N-word in the lyrics of any sound you use. In fact, I was always the person to call out this kind of behavior, so I agree with anyone who called me out and told me to address it. People have told me to not address this and to not make a video and that I explained myself. But this is a big deal to me, and calling me a racist and calling me a person that uses this kind of language, which is racial slurs, that's a huge deal to me. People were actually threatening me with this video, blackmailing me. I will not let you do that to me. I know what the truth is, and people who follow me will know the truth. The goal of this video is nothing else but to apologize to people of color who thought and who were presented with this video and thought I would actually disrespect them in that way. I did not look up the lyrics. That was my mistake. I unfortunately can't turn back time. I can just tell you the truth. I cannot change the truth. I have told you the truth, and if you don't want to accept it, that's okay. I wanted to address it and apologize to anyone who was affected by this video.